Does copper powder work as Minecraft redstone? Today we're going to find out whether we can make our own redstone circuit using copper powder. So this is what the redstone/copper powder looks like. We're going to use it to make a conductive line to power up this torch. We're going to fill this quartz tube full of this copper powder, and we're going to measure the resistance using our multimeter. Yes, so I'm compacting it right now. That way there's less chance for air separation in between the copper powder. That way we can actually get a pretty decent reading on the resistance. All right, now we will see if we can get a resistance measurement. Okay, yeah, we're getting 41, which isn't bad. Definitely gonna need better than that if you wanna make a long trail. So I think we'll probably add a little bit of water and compact it even further and see if we can get that resistance to drop. To decrease the resistance, we're gonna try mixing it with a little bit of water, making like a redstone clay. That is not one in the mix. This is looking pretty hydrophobic. Sure, this isn't gonna work. Okay. Let's see if this works a little bit better. We're going to try to hit it with this torch to see if we can get it to fuse together a little bit to reduce the resistance a little bit further. Probably not good to breathe in though. Brother, we have used a conductive metal. I did not think that went through. No. Oh, you know what? It'll actually move. Hot. Okay, let's let that cool. We're gonna test to see if this actually made the resistance value better. And here we go. Okay, I broke it, but that will work. That's gonna work. It's out so we can plug it into our little redstone circuit. Let me do that one more time. That fly distracted me. The government. Now we're gonna take about. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Now we're going to take apart this torch, take out the battery, get 2 wiring leads so we can power the light using just our circuit. Alright, we've removed the battery from the torch. As you can see, no power. We made 2 little leads for the power incoming. We're going to run 2 redstone lines to connect to each of these leads and then power it with our power supply here. We're getting ready to test it. We had to move to the floor just because we were having some issues with the table overheating and melting while we were heating this up. Right now is a good time to, if you haven't already, like, subscribe so we can keep doing what we're doing. We're running 6 volts. We're going to see if this actually is able to conduct. And it is not. All right, let me troubleshoot. Hey! And it's working. That's real life redstone in action right there. It's so cool. Yeah, we basically just turned this powder into actual Minecraft-inspired redstone. How cool. Alright guys, that concludes the end of this video. We were able to turn this copper powder into real-life redstone to power up our torch. It was super fun. I really enjoyed this build, and we'll see you in the next video.